What's up, you guys? It's Ahmed with I Still Love Car Audio and Car Audio Tech Stuff. This time I'm doing something a little different to me, a different type of demo video. I like cultural music, world music. I'm not very well versed in cultural music, but I like what I like. If it sounds good to me, I'm all for it. A couple of songs were recommended to me, and a couple of songs I've heard and I liked, and I just added them to my playlist. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a Morel Elate Carbon cultural demo, mostly Latin music. That's all I know. That's not that I'm against other cultural music. It's just I hear a lot of Latin music and I like what I hear, as you can hear a little bit in the background. Okay, so one quick thing to note before we get into it, I want to show you guys my bass knob. Normally in most of my demos, my bass knob is all the way down. It's not at zero. My bass still plays, but it's not dead zero where it's off, but it's balanced with my whole system. But as a lot of you may know, in cultural music, especially Latin music, a lot of times the bass is not heavy as it is in American music, I guess you would say. That's why we use things like the audio control epicenter or other bass restoration devices. Well, I don't have an epicenter, don't plan on using one because of my personal needs, but I do have my bass knob and I turn it up because that's what it's for. So enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get to the music. That's what y'all here for, right? Y'all not here to talk to me. Y'all here to listen to my system. Wish I had better friends, man, but y'all just using me for my car. Nah, I'm playing, man. Just being silly. Anyway, here we go.
Cuando la vida nos da una desilusión, desde que tú te marchaste, solo dejaste a mi corazón. Al principio me negaba a saber algo de ti, pero el tiempo fue pasando y fui calculando lo yo siento, nunca se puede borrar hasta que quieras volver para como ayer volvernos a amar. No existe un hombre en el mundo que te quiera como yo. Pon mi amor en tu balanza, que hay esperanza para los dos.
Repica mi tambo y dale duro
one thing I wanted to point out really quickly is the one of the best things about live music to me, cultural or otherwise, is instrument placement. Like, I can hear the whole band spread across my stage, my virtual stage, my dash. Lead singer's in the center. You got your percussions over here, or Congo drums. I don't know what they are called. All these instruments, different instruments, cowbells, whatever, they're spread around like they need to be. And, you know, if you close your eyes, you can just get into it and just see this, especially if you've seen a live performance before, you can just see it as it plays out. And another thing, with those horns that they were playing, there's no ear fatigue. My tweeters are not blaring in my ear, making me want to turn it down. I only turned it down to talk to you guys real quick. But yeah, man, this is pretty awesome. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Oh, 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 ma. Guajira. Hey Mo, check this out. No hace mucho llegué a conocer una muñeca que estaba en algo. Me miró de arriba abajo, la sangre se me alteraba. Lo que tenía ya por bebé eran pétalos de rosas. Era una mami, una niña bien hermosa, la cual se enamora cualquiera. La invité a bailar al club de Pozo, que quedaba en la 102, y ella me lo aceptó. Yo quedé muertitito de la risa. Después del baile nos fuimos a casa, y esto fue lo que ella me exigió. La chica decía, papito, hay fuego en el 23. Salchicha con huevos, me pidió al amanecer. Sí, te encuentras con un bombón que su encanto es papiar. Dale salchicha con huevo hasta que no quiera más. Salchicha con huevos, me pidió al amanecer. El que se duerme, se lo lleva la corriente. Eso fue lo que me quiso dar.
right, you guys. One more song left. I think you can hear it in the background. I actually kind of grew up on this song. It's a classic to me. Do I understand the words? No, but I love the music either way, man. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed it, and I didn't mention it in the beginning, but I did put up a icon or whatever. Please listen with your headphones. It'll give you the best representation of my system, aside from hearing it in person, of course. I hope you liked it. I want to try something different with my demos. Again, I'm not very well versed in world music, cultural music, but when I hear it, if I like it, it's going on the playlist. I love it. Hope you do too. And until next time, stay tuned, but enjoy this last song, this classic.
Todo aquel que piense que la vida es desigual tiene que saber que no es así, que la vida es una hermosura, hay que vivirla. Todo aquel que piensa que está solo y que está mal tiene que saber que no es así, que en la vida no hay nadie solo, siempre hay alguien. Ay, no hay que llorar, llorar, la vida es un carnaval y es más bello vivir cantando. Ay, no hay que llorar, llorar, la vida es un carnaval y las penas se van cantando. Ay, no hay que llorar, llorar, la vida es un carnaval y es más bello vivir cantando. Ay, no hay que llorar, llorar, la vida es un carnaval y las penas se van cantando. Todo aquel que piense que la